Hello students. I wanted to send you this video to show you what your assignments for week 1 are because we are going to have lecture. So these are the distance learning expectations, and a lot of you were asking me if we have lecture Mondays and Tuesdays and Wednesdays, but really if you'll see Mondays, you're just checking the website for what assignments are posted for that week. Tuesday and Wednesday are independent study. And then Thursday, I'll be meeting with period 1, period 2, and period 3. Friday, I'll be meeting with period 4, period 5, and period 6. Okay? So right now, you should just be working on your week number 1 assignments. And you don't have to fill out the syllabus or the safety agreements. We've already done that. You also do not have to complete any of the assignments from units 1 through 5 because we've done that during the school year. We're starting with COVID-19. So if you scroll down on this page, you'll see the homework for week 1 is right here. So disease spreading lab, that's through Gizmo. I can see that a lot of you are having issues with downloading it and then copying and pasting it on another site or another Google Doc. Just try your best. I know it's not going to look exactly like the worksheet. I've had students that are actually printing it out and filling it out. Another way to do it would be to just copy down the questions on a line sheet of paper and take a picture of the paper. That would also be a great idea to turn it in. The virus life cycle lab is also on Gizmo. Same thing goes for that one. And then the analysis questions are based on these 2 lessons. So the first one is right here, virus structure and reproduction. And then the notes that go with that one are right here. So if I click on this link, it opens up a YouTube video. All right, these are the notes for the viral. So that's the first lecture. And then these notes are a Google Doc, but make sure that if you're using them for the video, that first you click File and make a copy so that you can actually write on this page. Otherwise, it will not let you. Okay, here's the second lecture. That one's all about COVID, and that's also a YouTube video. 2019. And I apologize that some of the data is past due. I know some of the numbers are much higher now, but when I put the lecture together, it was April 10th. And then the notes are right here. Same thing with the notes. If you're going to write in them, just make sure to click File and make a copy. And those notes are for you. You're not doing them for credit. But if next year it comes up, that way you'll have somewhere to reference back to these topics so that you have what we were learning in that unit. All right, and then finally, this is the third assignment for week number 1. So as you can see, you're defining some terms, answering some analysis questions, and then filling me in on how your social distancing time is going. All right, and then also make sure to make a copy of that. Okay, you are, that is it for that week. Then you're moving on to DNA. So if you scroll down to DNA, you'll see week number 2 and 3. So just make sure that the week number 2 pairs up nicely with the lectures that you have to do. Like this one is DNA structure. So the lecture for that first lecture for week number 2 is DNA structure, and then DNA replication. So DNA replication is the second lecture for week number 2. And then these 2 lectures are for week number 3. Okay. All right, guys, you're doing an amazing job.